Welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. Today's video is going to be about MC Chandigarh recruitment of 2021. Viewers who are unable to watch the video till the end, we have placed a link in the description box. You can check out the link as you can get to read all of the detailed information about this particular recruitment which will be told in this video at one place. Alternatively, you can also head over to Google and search for MC Chandigarh Recruitment 2021 Freshers Now. And as you click on the Freshers Now website, you can get to read all of the information at one place.
Before we begin, just make sure to subscribe to our channel Freshers Now and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest videos from Freshers Now.
Here are some basic details that you have to know. The organization name is Municipal Corporation of Chandigarh. The post names under this particular organization are as follows. Now there are multiple vacancies opened which are Station Fire Officer, Fireman, Driver, SDE Civil, SDE Heart, Accountant, Sub-Inspector, Junior Engineer under Civil Branch, Horticulture Branch and Public Health, Electrical, and Draftsman, Clerk, Stenotypist, Data Entry Operator, Patwari, Horticulture Supervisor, Junior Draftsman, Computer Programmer and the post of a Law Officer as well. Now for all of these posts mentioned, there are 172 vacancies and the starting date for applying is 8th of April and it will last till 3rd of May. So you nearly have 1 month of time if you are interested to apply. Heading over to the rest of the details which are, the last date for deposit of the fee will be on 5th of May. You can apply through online and if you are selected or hired for the post, your job location will be in Chandigarh. And the mode of recruitment is temporary basis. And here is the official website. You can check out the official website if you need further more clarifications. Heading over to the vacancies for the groups and the streams of the post separately. For the post of a Station Fire Officer for Group B, there is only one vacancy. 81 vacancies for the post of a fireman under the section of Group C. 4 vacancies for Driver Group C. And again 1 vacancy for SDE Civil, which falls under Group A. 2 vacancies in each of SDE Heart and for the post of an accountant as well. But the groups are separated into Group A and Group B. Now 6 vacancies for Sub-Inspector, Group B, and for Junior Engineer for Civil Branch you have 4 vacancies which falls under the Group B. Again 2 vacancies for Junior Engineer Horticulture, Public Health Junior Engineer 5 vacancies, 2 vacancies for Junior Engineer Electrical and 6 vacancies for the post of a Draftsman. The rest of the posts which are for Clerk, Group C has 41 vacancies, 5 vacancies for Stenotypist, Data Entry Operator, 2 vacancies, Patwari 1 vacancy, again 2 vacancies for Horticulture Supervisor, 3 for Junior Draftsman, 1 in each for Computer Programmer and Law Officer. For all of these posts, the division of groups are separate. Here is the pay scale details. Now according to the post, the pay scales will be differing. For the post of a Station Fire Officer, the pay scale will be starting from 10,300 to 34,800 along with the GP of 4,200. For firemen, starting will be 5,900. For driver, it's 5,000 the same. For SDE Civil, 15,000 will be the pay scale starting, same for SDE Heart as well. 10,300 for the post of an accountant, sub-inspector, junior engineer, civil branch, and for horticulture, public health, electrical. For all of these branches which I have mentioned, the pay scale will be starting from 10,300, but the GP pay will be differing. Even for the draftsman post, the pay scale will be starting from rupees 10,000 with a GP of 3,800. For the post of a clerk, the pay scale is starting from rupees 10,300 with a GP of rupees 3,200. For stenotypist, it's the same, but the GP will be differing for some of the posts. Data entry operator, Patwari, also carrying the same amount of pay scale. But for horticulture supervisor, the pay is 5,900 with a GP of 2,400. For junior draftsman, 10,300. Computer programmer and for law officer, it's the same pay scale which is starting from 10,300. Now again, please do remember that the GP, the additional pay will be separate. Now if you have to know about the vacancies or if you need any sort of clarifications or if you want to read about the recruitment at one place, you can check out the link which will be placed in the description box, as you can get to read all of the information about the recruitment at one place. Furthermore, if you have any doubts or if you need any clarifications, do place them in the comment section and we will answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Freshers Now, and thank you for watching.